Bluetooth headphones have become quite a necessary gadget since the companies started eliminating headphone jacks from their flagship devices and now mid-rangers too. And I have always been a fan of on-ear headphones with powerful audio output and especially bass. Oh yeah, our today's patient is the most capable Bluetooth headset I have used under $35. So how are you doing everyone? This is Dr. Short Circuit and today we have the boAt Rockerz 600 for a checkup. Being a successor to the Rockerz 400, which I reviewed earlier in my old channel, Rockerz 600 is an over-the-ear wireless headset. It has a new design and improved controls layout. The square-shaped foldable ear cups and the headband have a fox leather finish, and I actually found them comfortable to wear for long durations, which I didn't expect, as I didn't like the square design though. On the right ear cup are the controls for power, pairing, volume and playback. Also on the ear cup is the indicator light for battery status and pairing indication LED. And you will find the popular micro USB port for charging and connecting to your PC or any device which doesn't has Bluetooth, or in case can also be used if you run out of power in the headphone. Let me tell you, quality of the sound is really impressive. I have used it on phones, my netbook and PC for music, movies, voice and video calls. The output is fantastic across genres, bass levels are really deep thanks to the powerful 40mm drivers. Volume is amongst the loudest I've heard on a wireless headset and vocals are clear even at the full volume. The microphone is also sensitive. During a voice call in a crowded metro, the caller had no issues hearing us. Also, the noise cancellation works extremely perfect and is really good for the soft ear cups which won't let your ears hurt anyway. The slight issue that I had with the Rockerz 600 is sometimes it doesn't power on, as the power and volume control is the same button and you just have issues with which one just gets clicked. It's sometimes so it's not a big issue. Also for me, it has a problem with folding too. I don't know, but my piece doesn't fold properly or smoothly. Maybe that's just me. boAt did a really good job building this headphone actually. It has a perfect weight and feels really premium in your hand, which wasn't the same with its Rockerz 400. The wood finish on the plastic is something that attracts my eyes, and this time the LED intensity is much better than the 400. Also, talking about the battery and charge, the Rockerz 400 usually gives you a playback time of 15 to 18 hours instead of what they say is 20 hours. It takes like nearly 2 to 2.5 hours of full charge to fully charge itself. What more to say? It's a bang for the buck, that's it. So yeah, if you're looking for a great headphone for listening to music or watching movies or doing a conference or gaming, this is the option. You nearly spend 2,300 rupees or $35 roughly and own an impressive headset. I in my report of the checkup here and keep it on you to decide what's best for you. So a special announcement guys, as you know I shifted from my old channel and I earn almost nothing right now. So I'd really like you to request to go and support me on Patreon, link in the description, and yes, you can join my team by simply subscribing below and pressing the bell icon to get notified whenever a new patient device comes in for a checkup. Okay, gotta go. Bye.